Nanonood ako ng Love Die Repeat kasi idol ko si Miss Jeneline Mercado. Simula nung pumasok siya ng Starstruck at tsaka gusto ko malaman kung ano talagang storya ng Love Die Repeat.
I watch Love Die Repeat because it's kind of different from the other kabit-kabit drama. Then, di ba, the story, like, it involves like a time loop, like when the husband dies, then so the wife experiences a time loop. I think has like sci-fi fantasy vibes to it, so that's why I find it like unique.
Unexpected yung mga plot twists, yung story, yung characters. Of course, Miss Jeneline Mercado and Sian Lim, very good actors and actresses. And hindi mo expect yung ibang mga mahahappen sa story. And marami kang marirealize na parang sana hindi mo na lang gawin to or hindi mo maulit yung past and i-repeat yung mga mistakes mo kasi basta maraming moral lessons sa series na to.
Pag nalaman kong may kabit yung asawa ko, talagang magagalit ako sa kanya. Hindi ko na siya mapapatawad.
Hala, that is so controversial. Oh my god. Papatayin ko. So, I think I would confront my husband. Char! Yeah, confronting my husband, then I will also like meet the kabit and I'll just meet with her like in a civil manner because if I get violent, that's very koan na. Baka makulong ta dyan.
I will just let him go kasi kapag mahal niya talaga ako or contented siya sa akin, hindi ka na maghahanap ng number 2, doon ka lang sa number 1. Kahit ihatid ko pa sa kanya. Sa iba, di ba?